everyone, today we will learn one of the easiest pattern for making nightgown or nighty, and by doing little alterations you can change the design of yoke and you can get different patterns for the same nighty or nightgown. So let's see the measurements first. We will require only two measurements, that is full length 50 inches and armhole circumference 14 inches. You can take your own measurements and make a customized pattern for yourself or for anyone. So let's see the method. A to B full length plus 2, which we are taking for fold at the end of the nighty or the hem. Then A to C is half of fabric width. Here I am taking 22 inches, which is half of fabric width. Suppose your fabric has 44 inches width. It could be 42 inches or it could be 46 inches. It depends how flary you want your nightgown to be at the end. So A to C is 22 inches. Then C to D is equals to A to B and B to D is equals to A to C. Then C to E is 4 inches. Even if you are making customized nightgown for anyone, this will always be 4 inches. The alteration in measurements will come in different sections, but not here in C to E. So C to E 4 inches and E to E1 is half of armhole circumference plus 0.5. We are adding extra 0.5 because nightwear is slightly loose. So here I am taking 7.5 inches. Then C to C1 is equals to E to E1 and E1 to C1 is equals to C to E. Now E to F is 1.5 inches and A to G is depth of neckline plus 2 inch for yoke. Here I am taking 2 inch as a general yoke depth. If you want your yoke to be broader, you can keep it 2.5 inches or 3 inches. Just add the width of yoke with a depth of neckline, right? Then F to F1 is equals to A to G and G to F1 is equals to A to F. That's it. And mark B to B1 and B to D1 2 inches for fold. Show it with the dotted line. Now give shape to the armhole and neckline curve with the help of French curve scale. This section will have gathers. Mark rain line and unfold. That's it. Your nighty pattern is complete. Now we will make the yoke pattern. For making yoke, first of all we will make a block. The method for block is depth of neckline plus 2 that we will add for yoke. So it will be 6 plus 2 8 inches. A to B is 8 inches. Then A to C width of neckline plus 2. So here I am taking 3 plus 2 5 inches. Then C to D is equals to A to B and B to D is equals to A to C. Now mark B to B1 2 inches the yoke width and C to C1 again 2 inches. Then draw an inline section and curve both the part as it is showing in the picture. This is your yoke pattern. Mark on fold and grain line. Now cut both the patterns from dotted line. That's it. We are done with the nightgown pattern. And if you want to make different kinds of yoke, just change the shape of the yoke here in this section of A to F and A to G and F1. By changing the shape of this section, you can make different kinds of yoke for the same pattern. Isn't it so easy and simple to make? Here comes the activity section. Prepare a draft of nighty on bamboo paper following the same measurements. Thank you.